Welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My people, this Yul Edochie situation now that they call Pharaoh let my people go. Hey, this May Edochie marriage wey go marry with Yul Edochie. It is called the journey of the people of Israel. The people of Israel before they fit comot for Egypt, signs and wonders take place. Now it happen for May Edochie and Yul Edochie relationship. Yul Edochie is the Pharaoh that has refused to let the children of Israel go, which is May Edochie. May Edochie marriage don't end. But Yul Edochie say May Edochie cannot go as a Pharaoh when he be. My people, not be small thing they happen behind closed door. Una know say no be everything they dey on social media. Now it make us dey here to give una those ones when they hide behind closed door. This time around, Zubi Michael don't expose Yul Edochie. Pharaoh let my people go. Yul Edochie let May Edochie go. Free this woman, let her go. When I say free her, no be say Yul Edochie really tie May Edochie for ground, or no. But the fact that he no want move on is something else. Imagine Yul Edochie go meet Zubi Michael, all because of May Edochie matter. Wetin he tell Zubi Michael provoke Zubi Michael. Because Zubi Michael self warn Yul Edochie against Judy Austin. Zubi Michael tell Yul Edochie then say, because Zubi Michael and Yul Edochie, they were advisor to the governor of Anambra State. Then, two of them, they were working together for the governor of Anambra State. Because Zubi Michael was wise enough to invest. But Yul Edochie, use the own to thank Judy Austin and the family. Now, when they were both working together as advisor of Anambra State governor, when they were working as his advisor, there now Zubi Michael for advice Yul Edochie. So Yul Edochie, Judy Austin is a mistake. No matter how you try to convince yourself, that woman is a mistake. As long as God don't bless you with a woman, with children, with home, and everything is going successful, God don't need you to add another person to it. Right down from that place. If it be say you and this woman quarrel na scatter, you cannot take in another one. The blessing of God will continue in your life. But if you constantly you do koni, when God bless you, give you a peaceful home, you go carry a second party into your marriage, an intruder into your marriage. That will be the beginning of your doom. So Zubi Michael warned Yul Edochie. To the extent Zubi Michael tell Yul Edochie say, woman get woman where they carry. How you go carry free area? Who never sleep with them? Who never knock them? Who? Even your papa fi don't go. That woman, she was desperate. So desperate to blow in the industry. Think very well. Even if you won't bring woman to your home, at least bring woman where people will see. They will clap hand for you. Not this one. This one. Not because she's a single mother. Some single mother, they will build themselves that any man way they come here, they will scratch it. Not about that. He is not against single mother. No. It can never be. But the fact is that this is not the right person. Person where don't share give the whole industry. Where be say even your papa fi don't test to. It's not an insult to bet. Maybe because she was giving it to old and young. Now you want carry to destroy a lovely, peaceful home where every man they dream of. God give you for hand in this condition, in this era of life where we did so. Before you go see a woman like May Edochie, you go waka the whole Sahara Desert. You not go see. Now you say you won't carry a woman that is not qualified to even be the slippers of your wife into your home. So Zubby Michael advised Yul Edochie then, but this man refused to listen. So there was a time when Yul Edochie was exaggerating. They said Zubby Michael called Yul Edochie in order. Tell her, say, Yul Edochie, me and Edochie no dey talk doesn't mean, doesn't mean you can misbehave anyhow. You are exaggerating. So Zubby Michael stood up for me Edochie. Yeah, me Edochie, they not sit down discuss anything. No. But Zubby Michael just see the way Yul Edochie and Judy Austin they do that time. You remember that time when they dance, they do if they carry mommy water, they look into each other eye. Now Zubby Michael call Yul Edochie say, Yul Edochie, your own is too much. Are you the first man when he carry Oloshopu for his house? You even marry Olosho instead of you to hide her, so that the world will not know her secrets. You put her for social media. You forget say people they talk, especially when it comes to Nigeria. By the time they dig the secret of this woman's heart, only you go enter house. Zubby Michael tell her that time. But Yul Edochie feel that nobody will ever know the secret of Judy Austin. When we dey talk and nobody believe us, but Mr. Obasi, you cannot say Mr. Obasi is lying. He trained her, carry her, marry her, come up for your papa house, born for Mr. Obasi. So, today, Unko, they never run enter the house. When Zubby Michael tell them that time? Now, Yul Edochie run go meet Zubby Michael. Say, Zubby Michael, if there is somebody that made Edochie adore, it's you. Now, Yul Edochie don't run go meet Zubby Michael. Tell Zubby Michael, say, if there is somebody that made Edochie adore, it's you. Because as this whole matter take happen, he respects you the way you handle it. Be that you with and they very close. You are one out of all his friends when they advise and say, Yul Edochie, you will regret your actions. But the rest of his friends were supporting him. He said, May Edochie adore you well. You did not betray, disgrace, or even say evil thing about her, even when you were close to him. So, according to Una Ato, where they call Yul Edochie decided to go meet Zubby Michael, say, may Zubby Michael come help him beg me Edochie. Say, no fit lose me Edochie, no fit lose her. Hey, saying they do all these things is danger. They do jaguda, jaguda. He said, na lie. He said, no reach him mind. He said, this stubbornness way they do this, dogu, this gra. He said, na lie. He said, he's soft like early morning bread. He said, Zubby Michael, now you be last up. Try talk to me Edochie, convince this woman. If they find person wey go convince me Edochie, wey go talk to me Edochie, wey go calm me Edochie, make me Edochie come back to her. He say he need his wife. Zubby Michael, please talk to her. There is nothing that cannot be said to. Many people don't do wetin worse past their own. The last thing you want to do is to lose me Edochie. Now Zubby Michael say, wait till you see me talk. Beg me Edochie as her. Oh God, you never get wife and children. Can't you concentrate on this one? That's why you are distracted. You have your wife, you said no, you want this one. Now you have this one, you say you won't go back to your wife. Zubby Michael say, you and who they do that no sensibility. You know no saying as Zubby Michael. Zubby Michael no they do anyhow. Zubby Michael no they put mouth for waiting no get head. If you want talk for person, he no say waiting they go talk. Now waiting people go even respect him if he they talk for mouth. Zubby Michael say, how do you want him to call me Edochie? Say, hello, me Edochie, I beg forgive your husband. He said, they say Zubby Michael tell Yul Edochie, say, Yul Edochie get luck, say, me Edochie not be his sister. He said, by this time, he said, for don't use the hand, they rearrange Yul Edochie face. He said, anywhere where Yul Edochie is still body, is it that one person dismissed from that place? Because anytime when he see you, now boss, hand must touch each other. He said you want somebody like him to beg me Edochie. Zubi Michael tell Yul Edochie say as in dey now, if he see me Edochie, he go tell me Edochie say if you return back to that efulefu, your respect when I get for you don't finish. Zubi Michael say don't zubi me. Not be here now if I advise you. Not be here now if I tell you say go back home. This woman now low show not shameful giver. You refuse. See wetin her husband talk. Her husband say he meet am for beer parlor. That means before she even enter the man life, she don already dey do beer parlor work shameful giver. Before she can't do the industry shameful giver. He not tell you say this woman say her secret go leak. You think say this Nollywood anything wey happen for here remain here? Story for the gods. As it dey happen for here, just know say the word na just some time go flow enter the world. Zubi Michael say Yul Edochie is the last person wey go beg me Edochie. Why are you begging her? Why must you beg her? Now Yul Edochie come dey tell Zubi Michael say may Edochie don't get another man. He say he get the video. He said they send down the video. He said Zubi Michael wants, he go send the video to Zubi Michael. Now Zubi Michael say no need the video. He no get wetin he won't use the video do. Now Yul Edochie say okay. Now you will understand. There is another man that want to take my wife from me. There is another man that want to marry my wife. They say the man they follow her up and down. The man is doing everything for her. Like the man is ready to go to the end of the world for my wife. Now Zubi Michael say, no, your ex-wife. Be calling her your ex-wife. You go both cast. The only moment where you for even take defend your personality, you go there indirectly trying to tell the world that you don't want to talk. There are many things you know men don't talk. This is the thing where they buy you. When you know there fully that you don't have anything to talk. Is there anything to talk at all? Waiting me Edochie do you nothing. Now you do this woman something. The only broadcast where you get opportunity, where you for let the world know, even if me Edochie forgive you, he not forgive you. That was the only moment you have to talk good about this woman. Praise her. Praise this woman for that place. Bring Judy Austin down there. Maybe then they feel when they shook mouths. When they see how to convince me Edochie to forgive you, not to come back to you. To forgive you. But you went to that broadcast. You were trying to prove to the world as if me Edochie do you something. Today now you dey come meeting Zubi Michael. Say make him go beg me Edochie. Zubi Michael say no dey beg. And me Edochie can never come back to you. Continue with Judy Austin. You must continue. The thing no dey shock you again. Every day hotel. Every day hotel. Money where you supposed to take plan life. Money where you supposed to go dey give your wife. Zubi Michael tell Yul Edochie, say, Yul Edochie, do you know how many times me Edochie call her? He go tell her and say, Yul Edochie say, the governor have refused to settle him, to pay him for the work and the service where they render. He said those words hurt his ear. He said, me Edochie go dey tell and say, yeah. It don't they go almost 3 months now. My husband is complaining. Zubi Michael, you people should try talk to the governor. He say, no go no ask you go tell me Edochie say, they don't pay us so. Your husband, they spend money for Judy Austin. He say, how will he say such a thing? Let me say those scatter people marriage now. He will never even marry. He go scatter people home. Aha. Now he say, he will not go last now. So he say, he go just decide to quiet. He go just tell me Edochie, say, me Edochie, they pray. Just they pray for your husband. He said, now waiting in, they always they tell me Edochie. He said, me Edochie can testify to it. He said, the only thing where they tell me Edochie, when me Edochie complains, he go tell me Edochie, say, pray for your husband. Pray for him. What he need is your prayer. Make things for work out for him. Say that prayer when he talk. Now make me Edochie pray. Because even if she don't know, if she pray, maybe God will expose Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. Zubi Michael say na expose. Zubi Michael say na God na he expose Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. He said, now God. He said, many people, they feel, say, oh, they think it's time to bring their relationship out. He said, no. He said, these people play me Edochie dirty. He said, that's why God exposed them. He said, now the last person will go support Yul Edochie. He said, and Yul Edochie, if you see, they'll greet, they'll do everything. He said, but me, Yul Edochie, no carry marriage problem. Come table. He's not a marriage counselor. In short, he never even married. So, me, Yul Edochie should not carry his own committable. Mbano, he no agree. So, Yul Edochie right now who won't help and beg me Edochie? Now he qualify. They say the man, they cry. Yul Edochie, they cry. Hot tears. You know those tears when person you cry, what they do? Hey, they say the man, they cry. Zubby Michael say, he not believe, say, Yul Edochie even get this kind of likeness for me Edochie. Because the way he was hurting, Zubby Michael say, so, you love your wife like this. Abi because, say, according to what you tell her, say, because, say, he engaged. Now they cause all this kasala. Now they cause all this wahala. He say, Yul Edochie say no. Say he truly love his wife. He love and adore his wife. All those things where they do not to prepare a wife and not to lose his wife. So be make say you don't lose her. Just ride on with your life in peace and stop disturbing people. Just take it like that. You've already lost her. Una ato, don't they cry, they go. You don't they cry. Now Yul Edochie know say me Edochie don't move on. You see all those one what they talk since then. You know say Judy Austin fans that they always they talk say me they pepper me Edochie want to come back. She is pretending she still love her husband. All those things they bust Yul Edochie head. Now Yul Edochie they feel then they feel it. Hey, now Yul Edochie they feel say this woman has really moved on with her engagement ring. According to Yul Edochie, will not ask me. And Yul Edochie mark now for years say me Edochie don't engage. According to Yul Edochie, with the engagement ring, the same woman where they say nobody go marry, nobody go carry, single mother, she not fine, she be like bone, she be like stick, she is this, she is that. They don't carry her. She is off market. Hello, off market. And her ex-husband they cry. And I they cry, my wife is gone. Zubby Michael say if you see me Edochie, will tell me Edochie say if you return to Yul Edochie, my respect for you don't finish. Move on. Leave that man. Make it concentrate on that frustrated, cheerful giver woman we put for his house. Zubby Michael the verse because the man eyes reach a lot of things. He say Yul Edochie they'll just pay them money like this. He say Yul Edochie and Judy Austin they'll enter market. They'll buy bag of rice, 3 bag of rice, beans, groundnut oil, everything they'll just buy. They'll heap motor full. They'll go drop for Judy Austin mama house. And now so he go share money, give all of them. The next thing at Judy Austin hotel, he said he never see people wey like hotel reach Yul Edochie and Judy Austin. Be like say they are the thing where they spice them up na inside hotel. He said they'll just enter hotel. Zubby Michael said, do you know that Yul Edochie and Judy Austin go dey hotel for good 1 month? They go just dey hotel. They enjoy, they eat, they spend money, they waste money. Meanwhile, me Edochie go they call and say, please, we talk to the governor now. My husband is not just bringing anything. He said they've not paid him. Zubby Michael say, conscience go to Georgia. Zubby Michael say, waiting go make him no ever forgive Judy Austin. He say he himself called Judy Austin one day. Now I tell Judy Austin, say, Judy Austin, Yul Edochie and me Edochie love each other. He know them very well. They love themselves. This relationship started when they were kids. They grew up together. They love themselves. Chop Yul Edochie money, leave this man alone. Let him go back home. Let him go back home to his wife. His wife the final. So be Michael say, Judy Austin answer and say, if me Edochie is that good in bed, Yul Edochie will not be running after her. Because all her mentality was that she's the best Nakademus woman. She believes in her waiting until who Yul Edochie down. When make Yul Edochie no want to go home. He said he pleaded with this woman. He said the woman say no send me Edochie. He know who Yul Edochie. Now waiting they give Yul Edochie when your wife no fit give him. Now he hang Yul Edochie for here. And he's not ready to give up on him. Anybody that cannot see, they should throw their eyes away. Say now waiting Judy Austin tell her. Say today now Yul Edochie they come. They call they say me beg me Edochie. Beg what? Say two of them will stay inside that relationship. That relationship where they hungry there. So he say two of them, they will stay inside that relationship. Two of them will continue. Say Yul Edochie, you not go run. You don't go run. You don't go leave Judy Austin. You must stay with her. Whether you like it or not, you must stay with Judy Austin. Hey, my people, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.